Ta-da! Ta-da! Yes, I've been waiting this for a while. So my techno presets I made special for Splice and they sound stellar. Let me show you. It's called Splice Techno Serum 2 and it has 150 presets, 150 midis, 150 loops. So it is so hard packed. It has hard techno sounds, it has peak techno sounds, it has melodic techno sounds. It's really packed. This becomes the techno preset of Splice. This actually released yesterday and today I was just like juggling through, and if you go to first page and ta-da! We already here. So what I want, hopefully everything in the first page. Let's go. But what I want to do actually is walk through the pack video a bit because there are some really insane sounds of it. And that's the reason probably in a single day we already jumped to the first page, right? My idea was I want to make a techno pack that everybody should reference to. Like whenever you want to create a techno track, you reach out to it. And I felt, I don't know if you feel the same, but I felt like Splice lacked in that department a little bit, especially in the presets for techno. So I'm here to save you. Alright? And I always wanted to have a pack in Splice because not everybody able to buy my packs. I know they're a bit more expensive, but many of you have Splice and still want to try out my packs. Let me show you how it works. So you can already preview in Splice with assigned midis. So it will be really straightforward. Just search for Dynasty, you will find it. And I'm from the most popular order. Just I'm curious which sounds people like because now they are like ordered from the most popular. Let's go. Classic big room techno lead. When I made this pack, I'm so happy. This is one of the popular sound because when I made this sound, I was listening to Burial and I was like, I have to make a Burial sound in this pack. And I made it and I remember making a story about it and people asking like, how can I download it? Now you have it. It sounds just so gorgeous and I'm happy people agrees with me. Also, I'm a sucker for 90s and 2000s, so you can definitely hear that's huge influence in my, especially pet sounds from that area because they just sound best. Remember, I made this pack for all techno producers, not only for melodic techno, not only for hard techno. Everybody will find something in it, or even in other genres. Come in and you're gonna get inspired. This is also so good. Dune. I am surprised that pads are so up. To be honest. I guess you miss 90s and 2000s like me. Also, this pad is so... It's so gorgeous. And you know, this is the best thing that can happen for a sound designer. These sounds gonna find their way to the tracks now, and they will come out, and I'm going to hear them, and I will be the happiest person in the world because I'm so curious what you're gonna come up with all these sounds, because they are the best sounds ever. Now what I'm going to do is not gonna play everything because I want you to go check yourself and compare A/B between the presets that you have. I trust my presets. And if you are one of these people who are hoarding Splice credits, it is your pack. You can just get whole pack for you and be free in your mind. Also, I want to thank Mathieu for really helping me through production of this one. This wouldn't be possible without him. I'm really curious what you think about them. Drop on the comments and I will catch you in the next video.